natural vaccine. It's now going to spread throughout our population, and it's going to find everyone who is vulnerable because of either waning immunity or unvaccinated status.
What does Octa Research Fellow and molecular biologist Father Nicanor Austriaco mean by that? He explains to CNN Philippines, based on a preprint study, unlike the other variants, an infection from Omicron could help the body create protection against COVID for the unvaccinated and against all existing variants of concern for the vaccinated.
Delta did not protect against beta, while the Omicron variant would protect you for breakthrough infections against all of the other variants as well.
But he says this doesn't excuse anyone from protecting themselves from getting COVID or from getting vaccinated.
The danger is we do not know if you will survive Omicron. No matter what, we must be vaccinated and boosted and do all that we can to prevent being infected.
For Dr. Ronjean Solante, like Delta and other variants, a person infected by Omicron will develop natural protection, but this will not last long.
There's no such thing as a lifelong protection. Eventually, your antibody will also wane, even if you are infected.
He adds, there's no assurance if it could fight new variants in the future.
But what we know is that when you have Omicron, because of this massive infection of Omicron, will create a herd immunity among the population.
Dr. Eric Tayag, meanwhile, cautions fellow experts from making confusing statements. He says there's still a lot to learn about Omicron.
Baka ma-misinterpret na sige magpahawa-hawa na tayo para mag-end na yung pandemic. Omicron cannot be called a natural vaccine.
While most Omicron cases are mild, Tayag claims people could still be hospitalized and die.
Di ba meron tayong long-term COVID? E ba't ka magbabaka sakali na? Yes, mild ngayon, pero mamaya may long-term pa rin yun. Hanggat maaari huwag kang magpapahawa o huwag kang manghahawa.
Austriaco says a milder COVID-19 infection signals the start of the end of the pandemic. And Solante insists the way to it is still vaccinating everyone.
If everybody is vaccinated and everybody is boosted, so there will be no room for a mutation that will make it more harmful.
Caroline Bongkin, CNN Philippines.